We're gonna keep it vegetarian this week and I'm gonna make a beautiful, gorgeous, plump black bean burger for you, so join me. Grab 2 tins of black beans and blend them together at home. Pour them into a bowl and grab a packet of boiled brown rice. And blend these as well, mixing together with the black beans. Grab a plate of breadcrumbs and add it to the mixture, stirring together with some soy sauce. Grab a few leaves of coriander, chop them down finely and add them to the black bean mixture. Now, grab a handful of the mixture, turn them into patties and shape them into burgers. Then, place them on the barbecue to grill for at least 10 minutes. In the meantime, slice some tomatoes, grab some leaves, and slice a few onions. Then start filling up your burgers.